Wessy, what you say happen now?
I'm there, I go easy.
Jamaica MJ, what go on?
Wes USC, he'll treat me.
No way, I can have somebody on my foot and he'll cheat them.
The argument in the sound straight, it sound lean. When you say ill treat, what you mean?
He not give me nothing.
Be a rumor.
Alright, stop chatting. More hear about the kidnapping.
Him hold me over there all long in a house, lock up.
Yeah, no, woman, I'm not keeping house for.
Wait, this is not a good look. MJ, how far slippers that you have for your foot?
I make me wear all him daughter slippers too.
Yeah, when I slippers, I think people some daughter slippers that way.
Him not buy me nothing.
I mean, if you give to people and you down my foot, I'm not getting and take care of it.
The argument in the sound like, you know, it's a moonwalk. Want to show what you do for the park.
Every show me go, him collect the whole of him money and not give me none.
Yeah, the owner room, everything for yourself in the youth. And you got back at town.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Youth, unstoppable, so now we are trained.
What going again, Unstoppable family? So people, big up to Slick White Line. Me did just have to show that little snippet there at the beginning. Cause Slick White Line deal with it right. And here, if you don't know who Slick White Line is, you don't need to go find him over there on Instagram at exactly that Slick White Line. The man always drop some good, nice, funny skits. Me like it. You see what I said? That one there, yo, that are nothing compared to the others where the man drop pan a regular. So all credits goes to Slick White Line pan that one there. But let's get to the topic at hand. And what is the topic? Ghetto, Michael Jackson. Now people, remember me telling you earlier, say yo, it's mix-up season. And when mix-up season start, means it start and it no plan for stop no time soon. Cause I saw it go. When time you have dancehall, soap opera, yeah, I saw the thing go. Mix-up season. And right now, Michael Jackson, aka Ghetto Michael, right, is speaking out against his former manager, Wes USC. Now most of you probably wonder, wait, who them Michael? Who them Ghetto Michael? We don't know him. Well, see me. So I get a Michael that, and him did come on the scene a little while back, and you know he make some few appearances, and you know probably learn couple moves of the real Michael Jackson, and did a mash up the place. The man all do all on stage interview and them thing there, and you know him did get a little buzz. But then from what you will notice him kind of fade where we not hear nothing about him again like that until now. Him come out and say yo, his former manager Wes USC never did I take care of him and now deal with him right. All of him are wear him daughter slippers and buy car out of him money. That's what Ghetto Michael say. Well people, me not go tell you about it. Make Michael tell you no himself. Hear what I'm have to say.
People, the reason why I come back to my place, Wes USC ill treat me. He collect me all of my money and I give me no money. He make me wear him daughter slippers. Him have my Instagram account and want my money. I want him to come on the road, I'm a talk big, and him not do nothing for me. And him not look about my my TRN and my passport. And him have me over the lock up all long. People, the reason why I come back on my yard, Wes USC ill treat me, he not give me nothing. He say I look about my TRN and my passport and my NIS. I know him not look about it, him hold me over there all long in a house, lock up. I make me wear all him daughter slippers too.
Not loud.
And him not buy me nothing.
Wes USC to look about for one big man care, cause me faith for Michael Jackson don't give me no. I mean tell me some tell people them same give me, I don't tell people I say people Wes USC don't give me no. Look at me look about like men care.
And him buy care,
we look about wicked Wes USC. You know better than how you say evil Wes USC.
Every show I go him collect the whole of him money and I give me none.
Yes, wicked Wes USC.
No, listen, to me that sound like he was being coached and being told what to say. But then again, that still probably not mean nothing still. Maybe him just don't know how to word him thing himself and say what him have to say. Because you have some people stay so, you know, them have to, you know, get help from people for talk. But yeah, that sound like he was being coaxed into saying what he had to say. But not only that, then Wes USC forward out and address it after him get the news. And Wes USC say, yo, the person in the background, me know who she too. You understand? Wes USC address it. Here what Wes USC have to say right there, so.
Ready? Yeah, good morning people. My day I go easy. Just wake up to some good news, see me? be a rumor. Everybody know me stay, you know. Everybody know Wes USC, you know. Feed people and take care of people. So there's no way I can have somebody on my foot and in cheat them and make them have what they want. You see me? The man just want to go back to town and just kettle out himself and just go be a party. No one wait till the place open back. So him can go all about over the world. No one wait upon that. He want to go to town, so make him go on a town. I don't have the angle over that. You see me? You know, woman, I like keep an house for. I love man. You see me? Stop. Make people tell you yourself and phone my boss. You see me? Because everybody know me read for you, and me write for you, and me do interview for you, and me do everything for you. The same girl in the video, in the back line of the video, me know who. Her name is Jackish. Every day she beg me. See? So you don't know. Them can't help you. Them can't do nothing for you. And me respond to everybody, and me boss everybody. Me respond to everybody. The people them know who me is. And me have a Wessy Foundation me give back to people. So why me feel give to people and you down my foot and me not get no and take care of you? You see me? Yeah, when I slippers I take people, so my daughter slippers I wear. Stop embarrassing yourself here, because everybody know a lie you tell. This way I said now add up. You see me? Can't bring me them. I work hard for everything what me have. Everybody know that. So me work hard for everything what me have. So what you watch if you do? Now I'm gonna work, my brother. And you want to go back to town and me run away. You down my foot, you get everything what you want. You want to go back to town, brother. So if you want to go back to town bigger than me, I can't hold on for you, I'm a baby mother, I'm a woman. But I hold on for you for you. Go on back to town if you want to go back to town. When me fall back at the house, you know, remember me not see you know, you have the own room, you have everything for yourself in the youth. And you go back to town. And I make people force you to do video for embarrass me. You can't embarrass me, youth. I want to hear youth. You're not in no show, you're not in no video ads, you're not in no bookings, you're not going to wear the place locked down. And my money me use do everything for you. But people, I say God, right now I'm not give nobody else. Yo, I don't want nobody DM me in inbox me and about, oh, where's your me from him? I'm not bust nobody else. There's more people me give visa, the highlight, and I'm still telling them back for me. I want to me show about my life, I never tell nobody thanks it, you know. And nobody can answer me ever tell them thanks it. You see me? I never tell nobody thanks it. Me, now stop the good. Remember that. Right now, I focus on my kids them. And all I want to do is give him a chance and him something there. Chance upon balloon. I don't want to see him. You see me? I don't want to see him. Because if him can put me down like this, what you feel like? I don't want to see him. I do one thing now, I focus on my kids them. And I don't have nothing bad to say about him. You see me? How long this I go on for? 1 week and it blow off. And nobody don't want to see you back, brother. And me have all connection for everybody you. And I put it to the world. And you can't wait until the place open back. You run Ghana town. Stay down there and let me see if them can help you. Me alright with me there. Me good. Respect my people.
Alright, so on the ear Wessy side and on the ear Ghetto Jackson side, what you have to say? Who you believe? Now this is my take on it. You see that them kind of thing here, what me get to realize at some given point in time, them kind of thing here go happen. When you have some kind of partnership, somebody are going to feel dissatisfied, unsatisfied at some point and forward out and say, yo, I am getting unjust treatment. Yeah, I'll Ghetto Jackson say what I'm have to say, Wessy forward and say what I'm have to say. Me don't know what you talk to me down below in the comment section, make me know what you think about this. Or does it even matter? Your views, talk to me down below. Watch out. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you're not subscribed yet, where you wait upon, hit the subscribe button. And make sure you turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what. Don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. Me gone.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.